Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be talking about why your Xbox controller is blinking but not turning on and how to fix it. Let's get started. Your controller isn't turning on because it has a low battery. The batteries might be the first thing you want to look at. Here's how to check the batteries. Press the release button on the battery section to open it and check if the batteries have been placed in the right way. Use a play and charge kit, micro USB cable, or rechargeable battery pack to charge the batteries. Alternatively, you can use disposable batteries. Another reason could be that the controller has outdated firmware. The issue could be that your controller is outdated or has an incorrect driver. Here's what to do: connect your controller to the console using a USB. In the settings, locate devices and accessories and check for updates. Follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware. If the blinking is still present, your controller may have connection issues. A wireless connection and distance may also cause the blinking light. Here's what you can do to solve that: use a USB cable for connection and ensure that the controller is in range of the console. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.